Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be going over a trade recap and what plays I took today and also what I'm swinging overnight. So on Friday, I took 4 SPY calls. I'm going to put them on the screen above. The first 2 SPY calls were 361 strike prices expiring November 30th. And also I took 2 December 4th calls for 361 strike price as well. And as you can see, I made around $400 on those and actually closed those positions. Now my thought process going into Friday at close and why I was actually swinging them overnight was because of this play right here. So I charted out the support and reduce this support line and this resistance line. Now if y'all do not know what support and resistance is, I have a video coming in a couple days explaining what support levels are, what resistance levels are, and how you identify them and how you use that to make your trades. But what happened was I noticed that on Friday close that we closed above this resistance line, so that showed me that was a bullish sign and that we were most likely going to continue this trend upwards. And on Sunday we gapped up, and then we had this pretty solid trend up throughout Sunday night going into early morning. However, we started consolidating and staying around this general area, but I was up $400 mainly because I bought in those calls on Friday around here. Even though we were consolidated basically the whole day, I still made that much profit, and I also sold right at open, and that's how I maximized on all of that profit. But I'm also swinging, as you can see on the screenshot, a November 20th call that expires November 20th, and its strike is 363, and also a call that is expiring November 27th, and its strike is 363 as well. Now my thought process behind that is when I got in, we were right at around this range right here, so I was thinking this was going to be a continuation play and we're actually going to be bullish going into tomorrow. Now I don't plan on stopping out until we get below this resistance, so if we're red on Tuesday, then I'll most likely still not stop out. So I'll get in right here and then I'll stop out, something along those lines, and then I'll probably tag out. I'll give it to right here. That'll be my take profit. So this is how I'm gonna structure my trade. So yeah, this is how I'll structure my trade. It just all depends on what Tuesday's looking like, and I still think even though we're down right now, it's currently pretty late at night, we still have all of early morning and market open to go. So I still think we are bullish going into Tuesday, but if we do get below this level right here, I will cut my loss because that is part of my plan and I stick to it. But if we do push up and we hit this level right here, that's probably where I'll take profit. And then if we're somewhere close to this Tuesday where we close, I'll probably still lock those calls in because I'll still be up a considerable amount, probably another $400 or probably $200 since I have half of what I was swinging on Friday. So that's the first trade I took. The second trade I took was actually an AMD trade. So I have this charted out right here. I was swinging some AMD calls over the weekend as well, and I'll post a screenshot of that on the screen right now. And as you can see, I'm up $164, and I have 2 calls for that. So I was actually swinging 4. I locked in 2 of them, so now that's why you see that my open position is $50. So I have this plan charted out just like I did for the SPY. My entry was today on those other 2 calls, those new calls. My entry was $82.65. So my stop loss would be right underneath these wicks right here, because after that we're most likely heading into the downtrend back into this yellow box right here, and my take profit is just above this zone. So I'll be looking for some continuation going into tomorrow, and then like I said, if we do get below my stop loss, I'll cut them and then look to see where we're heading. Now if we do get some type of morning pullback, as we typically do, to the top of this portion right here, I'll probably add another 2 contracts, but that just depends on how AMD is going to act in the morning. If we're just going for it, then like I said, I'll probably scoop my stop loss up, so I'll do a trailing stop. Now it's harder to do it on options, so you can do a trailing stop on options, but what I do is I just set alerts and then I manually do it myself. But those are my 2 trades that I'm swinging overnight and hoping that they are bullish tomorrow. But if they aren't, like I said, I have a plan and then I'll stop out if it tags that. But if we push up tomorrow and we are bullish, then if we tag my take profit, then I'll also get out of it. But anyways, guys, I'll probably start doing more videos like this where I show you what my trades are and how I'm structuring it, so it can give you an idea of how you can plan your trades out. And it also shows you the importance of always having a stop loss and always having an idea of where you're going to tag out, because if you don't have a direction of where you're going or how you're getting out of a trade, then you'll just lose money, and then it won't really be structured and you won't really have a good trading system. So when you're planning out your trades, just do something how I do: have a stop loss, have a take profit, so you can physically see where you're getting out, and if the trade does go wrong, where you're getting out as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what type of videos you want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next video.